Hi, this is Andrea Schulman again, and in today's Law of Attraction video, I'm going to talk about how to think positively when you're feeling negative. But first, if you're watching this video on YouTube, please make sure to subscribe because I do put out new Law of Attraction videos just like this one every single week. And also, please make sure to turn on your notifications so that you are notified whenever I put a new video out. Let's go ahead and talk now about how to think positive when you are feeling negative. All right, here's a great viewer question on how to think positive when negative thoughts are just coming at you. And this is a question I get in different forms from many people, which is that I want to think positively, but my mind is thinking negatively. I don't see the positive outcomes. It just seems very negative. Now, the first thing to understand about this is that when we're coming from a negative place, all that really means is that in this particular moment, I'm not in a particularly high vibration. Right now, I'm resonating a little bit lower, okay? And when my vibration is low, I'm going to have negative thoughts. It's just gonna happen. They are a match to me, okay? So when you're not feeling great, you are gonna get crappy thoughts. That's just the way that it works, okay? And consequently, when you're in a very high vibration, things are gonna be looking pretty rosy. Okay, so one of the first things to understand is that you don't even need to try and fix anything, okay? All you really want to try and do is if all the thoughts are coming negative, just take a break, go do some deep breathing, go meditate, go distract yourself, get off the subject entirely and make it your number one mission to simply make yourself feel better. Because when you're feeling better, you will naturally attract more positive thoughts on the situation. Now, there's another suggestion that I have for you too, particularly if it's a negative thought you've been having a whole bunch of times, is simply to play devil's advocate. Ask yourself, how might this be working out? What might the silver lining be? How might this work to my benefit? Because usually when we're having negative thoughts, what we're really focused on is, how could this go wrong? How could this get any worse? Why are things so bad? And when we ask negatively phrased questions like this, the universe will respond with an answer. Oh, how bad can it get? Oh, universe tells me worse. Now there's this problem on top of it. Why do things suck so much? Oh, the universe gives me all kinds of answers to that question. But if you ask the opposite questions, ask positively oriented questions about the subject. How might this work out for me? What might the silver lining be? How might this benefit me? What's the positive in this situation? Ask questions like that, and you will get positive responses. So that's another thing that you can do to shift thinking. Again, the easy way is simply to just drop the subject and focus on doing whatever the heck you can to feel better, because you will naturally attract more positive thoughts when you're feeling better, okay? But as a bonus strategy there, the other thing is to just simply ask positively oriented questions about the subject. Now, if you like this video, there is another video I created with another strategy on how to deal with a negative thought spiral. So if you feel your vibration just starting to pull you down, there is a quick suggestion that I have in that video, and if you'd like to watch that, there's probably a link in the description so you can check it out right now. I would also like to invite you to take my Law of Attraction test if you haven't taken it already. I do think I explained the Law of Attraction very, very well, but the best teacher for the Law of Attraction is for you to consciously experience it. Putting something out there and getting something back. Because when you see that mechanism, it's so much easier to trust in the Law of Attraction and to use it to your highest advantage. So if you haven't tried that out yet, make sure to check out the link for the Law of Attraction test and go ahead and take that now. Thanks so much for watching today's video and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.